Hi everyone, this is Abhishek and you're watching T.O TV. Welcome to Sector Watch, your weekly snapshot of what's trending in the crypto markets. Today we are spotlighting the top 4 high-performing sectors over the past month. Number 1 is artificial intelligence, then we've got real-world assets, Mecoin and DeFi. Let's quickly dive in. So in artificial intelligence, the market cap of AI coins is sitting at $27.9 billion. It is up by 31.7% in the last 30 days. If we look at the subsector breakdowns, AI agent launchpads are up by 350% in the last 30 days, and AI agents have been doing very good. They've been up by 18.2% in 24 hours. And then we've also got the BitTensor or Tau ecosystem that's up by 12%. In the top movers, we've got Kaito, which is up by 50%. Kaito is the world's first individual creator network, says Yuhu. It's essentially Kaito mindshare that is very popular, where individual creators can yap and they can earn, yap points, and that can be distributed as airdrops. So a lot of new projects, what they're doing is you earn yap points on Kaito and they're airdropping to the top yappers on Kaito. So that's become a new narrative, and that's why Kaito has been gaining a lot of attention. Kaito is also good to track mindshare and narratives that is happening in the crypto space. Virtuals is up by 50% in the last 24 hours, leading AI agent launchpad. It's back-to-back token launches dominate the weekly gainers list. Then we've got BitTensor Tau, which enjoyed massive growth on the back of subnet expansion. It went from 65 to 95. Upcoming halving and institutional backing from Yuma Capital at DCG. So you can watch an AI show that we do on our YouTube channel to be updated with the latest, developments in AI. Next sector is real world assets. The market cap is at $41 billion and is up by 26% over the last 30 days. Let's look at the sector overview. It's got tokenized treasuries, private credit, real estate, commodities, all benefiting from on-chain liquidity and transparency. Total value locked across real world assets protocol reached a fresh all-time high of $9.2 billion earlier, even during the last quarter with the broader sell-off. Why does real world asset matter? So first of all, it's got a massive opportunity growth. It's got a $200 trillion plus of global financial assets ripe for tokenization. It has a forecast of $4 to $30 trillion by on-chain by 2030. Next, we've got institutional adoption. BlackRock, the number one asset management company in the world, has a Biddle fund, which has $1.7 billion on-chain. And then we've got Frankel Templeton, another asset management company, which has got Benji, which has $420 million asset under management, and a $3 billion UAE real estate tokenization deal as well. So another advantage is 24/7 liquidity and lower fees. On-chain settlement slashes per trade cost from ideally $1 to under 1 cent. It allows you for fractional ownership and it democratizes access. The top projects are BlackRock by Biddle, Franklin Benji, Ondo Finance, which has USD by OUSG, which has $1.1 billion total value. Then we've got Meeple and Centrifuge. So that's it for real world assets. It's a very growing sector, and the market cap and everything has been so good. So please check out real world assets as well. So let's quickly now go to the next sector. That's Mecoin. The market cap is sitting at $64 billion. It's up by 26.8% in the last 30 days. The strong community narratives and real world tie-ins are reviving meme coins. Meme coins have been performing very well in the last 24 hours, and Solana meme coins have been going up, along with Ethereum that has also gone up recently. If we look at the top meme coins, we've got Brett, and Popcat is the largest meme coin on base, which is Brett, which is sitting at 500 million market cap, and the leading cat token is Popcat, which was sitting at 330 million market cap. And each are up by 40 to 50% on the new Solana meme coin hype. Then we've got SPX 6900 and Peanut. SPX 6900 buzzed by crypto KOL Murad, and while Peanut was also buzzed by a crypto KOL Bongai, which we did it in the CoinCheck segment. You can watch our CoinCheck to know more about Peanut that we've just done today. The seasonal momentum with multiple blue chip meme coins rising 30 to 100%. We've got Turbo, which is up. Mio went up by 750% last week, and Fartcoin is obviously up by 100% as well. Meme coin season feels alive again. So technical note, Solana's meme coin trading volume jumped from $7.9 billion to $20.1 billion as Pengu went up by 240%. Popcat led the Solana meme coin rally. Solana itself is nearing a golden bullish cross. So next sector we have is DeFi. The market cap of DeFi is sitting at $105 billion, and it is up by 23.4% in the last 30 days. The total value locked in DeFi is at $106 billion, and the DeFi dominance sits at 3.2% of the total crypto market cap. It is clear that it's fundamental over hype and focus. Top subsectors in DeFi are liquid staking derivatives, Lido sitting at $19 billion total value locked, and EtherFi is sitting at $5.6 billion TVL. It lets users stake and still deploy capital elsewhere. Then we've got lending and borrowing, where Aave leads with 21.5 billion total value locked. That's almost 20% of all DeFi total value locked, which is up by 30% in the last month. And Spark Finance, which we covered last month, is still continuing strong momentum, and it's up by 45% in 1 month to $4.96 billion total value locked. Next sector we've got is bridges, decentralized exchanges, and de-staking. Agent Layer reached the restaking sitting at a TVL of almost $9 billion and is up by 30% the last 1 month. So DeFi sector has been performing very well. If you check at DeFi Lab, almost all the sectors are up by 30%. So that wraps up this weekly sector watch. From AI creators economy revolution to real world asset institutional march and meme coin community comebacks, DeFi steady total value log rebound, and crypto story remains richly diverse. Stay tuned as we continue tracking these dynamic themes. See you next week.